Freezing cold Doritos?
Dude, why are you crunching so loud?
Freezing cold Cheetos?
Can you stop making those gulping sounds? It's really disgusting.
It's blue!
That's because the Cheeto you ate is blue, bro.
Blue Taki soda! Google Gaga!
Bro, you're not a baby. When will you ever stop opening your mouth, bro?
Giant Blue Taki?
Can you stop making those crunching sounds? Thank you.
Spicy nuclear pickle! Mmm!
You're actually making a mess on the floor, bro. I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm not gonna say it again. Stop showing me your disgusting mouth. Bro, what is wrong with you?
No reaction!
Say that to your toilet, bro.